Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on the top 5 best Google Pixel 9 Pro XL cases of 2024. From rugged protection to sleek designs, we've handpicked the finest options for every need. Stay tuned until the end to discover a unique case you won't want to miss. I always make video top 5 product if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned. Be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the Ringke Onyx, compatible with MagSafe, designed for Google Pixel 9 Pro XL case. This case promises excellent protection with a sleek design, while also being functional and comfortable to use. Let's dive into the features that make it stand out. 1. Anti-fingerprint technology. The Ringke Onyx case features an advanced anti-fingerprint coating that prevents unsightly oily smudges, keeping your case looking clean and fresh. This means you can say goodbye to constantly wiping down your phone. With this technology, your Pixel 9 Pro XL maintains its pristine appearance all day long. 2. Enhanced grip and non-slip design. Accidental drops are a thing of the past with the non-slip pattern integrated into this case. The textured design enhances grip, making it comfortable to hold and reducing the chances of slipping from your hand. The built-in lanyard holes provide an extra layer of security for your device. 3. Precise cutouts for camera protection. The Ringke Onyx case is meticulously designed with precise cutouts that provide additional protection for the camera lens. This ensures the camera stays scratch-free without interfering with its functionality. Your photography and video quality will remain uncompromised thanks to the case's thoughtful construction. 4. Lightweight and flexible material. Constructed from a lightweight and flexible TPU material, the case adds minimal bulk to your Pixel 9 Pro XL. It feels smooth in the hand, making it easy to carry around. The flexible nature of the TPU ensures that the case is easy to put on and remove without damaging your phone. 5. MagSafe compatibility. The Ringke Onyx case is fully compatible with MagSafe, making it convenient to use with wireless chargers and other accessories. This feature offers seamless integration with your daily tech, ensuring that you never have to remove your case to enjoy MagSafe's benefits. Conclusion: overall, the Ringke Onyx case is a perfect blend of style, protection, and functionality. If you want a case that keeps your Pixel 9 Pro XL secure without compromising its elegance, this is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. Number 4, the Bellroy leather case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in black. This premium case combines a sleek design with top-quality materials, offering a luxurious feel and excellent protection. Let's explore what makes this case so special. 1. Bellroy x Google partnership design. The Bellroy leather case is the result of a partnership between Bellroy and Google, ensuring a perfect fit and a thoughtful design. It's tailored specifically for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, making it a great choice for those who want style and functionality straight from Google's approved accessories. 2. Super slim profile. With its super slim profile, the case maintains the phone's original sleekness. It adds minimal bulk, making it easy to slip into your pocket or bag. If you're looking for a case that provides a sophisticated look without compromising on portability, this one's definitely worth considering. 3. Premium leather and craftsmanship. Crafted from gold-rated leather. Working group leather, this Bellroy case feels luxurious to the touch and develops a unique patina over time. While lighter colors show wear faster, the black version remains classic and refined. The soft microfiber lining inside further protects your Pixel 9 Pro XL from scratches. 4. Anodized aluminum buttons and magnetic compatibility. The case features anodized aluminum buttons, offering a tactile feel that complements the phone's aesthetics. It also has a built-in magnet, making it compatible with magnetic accessories. This thoughtful detail ensures that you can easily use it with MagSafe or other similar accessories. 5. Dimensions and lightweight design. Measuring 81mm, 167mm by 12mm, 3.2 by 6.6 by 0.5 inches, the Bellroy case strikes a balance between protection and slimness. Despite its premium build, it remains lightweight, making it a pleasure to carry around daily. Conclusion: overall, the Bellroy leather case for Pixel 9 Pro XL is an ideal choice for those who value premium quality and design. Its sleek profile, premium leather, and Google partnership make it stand out. Number 3, the Peak Design Mobile Everyday Case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in Sage. This case is perfect for tech enthusiasts and creators who want a stylish, functional, and protective option. Let's check it out. 1. MagSafe compatibility. The Peak Design Mobile Everyday Case is MagSafe compatible with perfectly aligned magnets that make wireless charging a breeze. Simply snap it onto any Qi charger and you're good to go. No need to worry about removing the case. This feature is all about convenience and efficiency. 2. Fast and secure mounting system. This case boasts a unique SlimLink mounting system, making it easy to connect with all Peak Design mobile mounts and accessories. Whether you're using it in your car, on a bike, or even on a motorcycle, the magnetic and mechanical locking system ensures a secure and stable connection every time. 3. Durable and protective design. Despite its super slim 2.4mm profile, the Peak Design case provides robust protection with a shock-absorbing rubber bumper and a protective lip around the screen and camera. It can withstand drops of up to 2 meters, 6 feet, so you can feel confident that your Pixel 9 Pro XL is well protected. 4. Ideal for creators. This case is designed with creators in mind. Whether you're into photography, filmmaking, or video chatting, the Peak Design case integrates seamlessly with portable and pocket-friendly accessories. You'll have everything you need to elevate your content creation game without adding bulk. 5. SlimLink mounting technology. The SlimLink technology built into the case is a game changer. It offers both magnetic and mechanical locking, providing a stable connection to all Peak Design mounts and accessories. This means you can switch from handheld to mounted setups effortlessly, making it the ultimate case for on-the-go creators. Conclusion: overall, the Peak Design Mobile Everyday Case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL is an excellent choice for those seeking a blend of style, protection, and functionality. Number 2, the OtterBox Defender Series case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in black. Known for its rugged durability, this case is ideal for those who need top-tier protection. Let's dive into its features and see why it's a great choice. 1. Perfect fit for Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. The OtterBox Defender Series case is precision-engineered specifically for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. It wraps snugly around your device, preserving its sleek design while ensuring all buttons and ports remain easily accessible. You get a flawless fit without sacrificing the phone's natural look and feel. 2. Superior drop protection. Tested to exceed military standards, this case can handle up to 5x more drops than the typical case. With its multi-layer construction, you can trust that your Pixel 9 Pro XL is protected from unexpected falls, shocks, and impacts, making it a great companion for outdoor adventures or busy lifestyles. Number 3, slim yet tough design. Despite its rugged build, the OtterBox Defender Series maintains a slim profile that easily fits in your pocket. Made from 50% recycled plastic, it balances eco-conscious durability with uncompromised toughness, proving that strong protection doesn't have to mean bulky design. Number 4, wireless charging compatible. This case is fully compatible with wireless charging, allowing you to charge your Pixel 9 Pro XL without removing the case. Its magnet-free design ensures smooth charging and usability with any Qi charger, adding convenience to your everyday routine while keeping your phone safe. 5. Built-in holster clip kickstand. The OtterBox Defender comes with a holster clip kickstand, perfect for hands-free viewing or securely attaching your phone to your belt. Whether you're watching videos or need quick access, this versatile feature makes the Defender series even more functional. Conclusion. Overall, the OtterBox Defender series case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL delivers robust protection, smart design, and added functionality. It's the perfect investment for those who want complete peace of mind for their device. Number 1, the Spigen Tough Armour case designed for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This case offers military-grade protection, a built-in kickstand, and more, all in a sleek black design. Let's explore why this could be your next favorite case. 1. Military-grade protection. The Spigen Tough Armor case is built to withstand tough conditions with its military-grade protection. It's equipped with Spigen's extreme protection tech, ensuring your Pixel 9 Pro XL stays safe from drops and impacts. It's a great option if you're looking for a reliable and sturdy shield for your device. 2. Durable material combination. Constructed from a blend of PC, TPU, and impact foam, this case provides exceptional durability and flexibility. The polycarbonate PC layer offers structural strength, while the thermoplastic polyurethane TPU adds shock absorption. The impact foam further cushions your device, providing all-around protection without compromising its slim profile. 3. Built-in kickstand for convenience. One of the standout features is the built-in kickstand that allows for hands-free viewing. Whether you're watching your favorite videos or joining a video call, the kickstand offers a convenient way to keep your phone propped up. It's perfect for content consumption and multitasking. 4. Raised edges for screen and camera protection. The Spigen Tough Armor case features raised edges around the screen and camera, preventing scratches and damage when placed on flat surfaces. This ensures that both your display and camera lenses remain pristine, even if you're constantly setting your phone down or carrying it around in your bag. 5. Wireless charging compatibility. Despite its rugged build, the case remains compatible with wireless charging. You won't have to worry about removing the case each time you want to charge wirelessly. Just place your Pixel 9 Pro XL on a Qi-compatible charger, and it's good to go. Conclusion. Overall, the Spigen Tough Armor case offers a solid balance between durability, convenience, and functionality. With its military-grade protection and built-in kickstand, it's perfect for those seeking reliable defense and practicality. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.